Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to claim your Steam Deck rewards. So if you go to the upper right side of the screen, you can go to your profile. And this is very easy to do. And it says Steam Deck rewards. Try claiming rewards right here. And there was a problem claiming because I already claimed this on another account. But if you go into this section, you can claim your rewards from buying this. So I have one friend under here, my main account, actually, and I don't see anything, so I'm just going to switch to it and kind of show you what you get for having your Steam Deck. Okay, so let's go to change account, and it adds a cool little like metallic thing around your profile, and you can do it to like your profile page, your profile picture, your description. You just want to go to that section and claim it. Now if you already claim it, it's not going to show up, so we'll wait for this to load, go to my main profile right here, and log in. So you can kind of tell who has a Steam Deck and who doesn't. So you can kind of see it. There's a little blue outline here. So we can click it. And here's the background. You can see this like metallic thing. And then here's the thing around my profile. I can go to view my profile. And this is everything that you claim. All of these pink graphics and whatnot, and this is all because I have the Steam Deck. So you can claim everything with that. Kind of makes your profile look cool, but you can easily tell who has a Steam Deck by simply just looking at that. So you can see the option doesn't appear once I go ahead and claim it. And it says I'm on the Steam Deck right now. So just go to that section and make sure you do that. If you ever wind up on this page, you'll see the option.